India and USA agree on a transitional approach on equalization levy 2020. Ministry of Finance issued press release today 24th November 2021 told on October 8, 2021, India and US joined 134 other members of the OECD G20 inclusive framework including Austria, France, Italy, Spain and United Kingdom in reaching agreement on a statement on a two-pillar solution to address the tax challenges arising from the digitalization of the economy. On October 21st, 2021, the United States and Austria, France, Italy, Spain and the United Kingdom reached an agreement on a transitional approach to existing unilateral measure while implementing Pillar 1. The agreement is reflected in the joint statement that was issued by those six countries on that date, that is October 21st joint statement. India and United States have agreed that the same terms that apply under the October 21st joint statement shall apply between the United States and India with respect to India's charge of 2% equalization levy on e-commerce supply of services and the United States trade action regarding the said equalization levy. However, the interim period that will be applicable will be from 1st April 2022 till implementation of the Pillar 1 or 31st March 2024, whichever is earlier. India and United States will remain in close contact to ensure that there is a common understanding of the respective commitment and endeavor to resolve any further differences of view on this matter through constructive dialogue. The final terms of the agreement shall be finalized by 1st February 2022. Thank you so much.